Las Vegas was the center of the hockey world earlier this month when it hosted its first Stanley Cup final. This week, Sin City will take center stage once again when it hosts the 2018 NHL Awards. Three strong candidates will be up for the Hart Trophy: Nathan MacKinnon, Taylor Hall, and Andrei Kopitar, each of whom helped their respective teams make the playoffs a year after not qualifying. Bruins forward Patrice Bergeron is up for his 5th Selke Trophy award. He'll be up against Sean Couturier and Kopitar. And Bruce Cassidy will try to win the Jack Adams Award for Coach of the Year. He'll go up against Jared Bednar of Colorado and Gerard Gallant of Vegas. We'll be in Vegas to cover it all, so keep it on NESN and NESN.com for all of your NHL Awards coverage.